The months-long energy crisis in Europe, which shows no sign of abating, has dimmed the prospect of reaching carbon neutral in many cities. Copenhagen, once ambitious to become a global pioneer in green development, has announced the city will not be able to meet its goal to become climate neutral by 2025. Residents in Denmark have expressed their concerns over the announcement.
I didn't ever think that they were going to make it, ever. It's disappointing. I mean, because when we all have water up to our heads, we don't need politicians anymore at that time. So I mean, it's scary that a man in power doesn't do anything. Yeah.
It's turned from being just a question of green energy to a question of politics, of self-defense, I suppose. We might have to do it just for this particular winter because we need time to adjust. But it's quite dangerous, I think, because it means that you can just sort of relax a bit and stay sort of using oil and perhaps even nuclear energy, which I'm not too keen on. Yeah, so I think it's a double-edged sword. Might be good for this particular winter, certainly not on a longer term.